GBPCHF update. I had taken profit and then re-entered into this, but since our video posted, um, let me see if I can bring that up for a second. Okay, so since our video posted, I don't know if I got the date or not. They show the date. When did I post this, man? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong part. Where is this? Oh, here it is. Huge opportunity. GBPCHF buy for potential 300. And I keep my ratios are very high. So my what do you call it? The risk reward ratios are quite high. So you don't need to catch a bunch of these to make. I mean, like, you don't need to win that often on my strategy to make money because of our very high. I think it was. Let me see. I know. Well, one of them. This one was at. How the ratio there? I would have to do the math. So yeah, so the math came out to so it's about four, let's say, or whatever, like four, whatever, four. It's like four the ratio on that one, but the overall one was bigger than that. Actually, I would have to go back in the video, but I just wanted to say congrats to all the. Oh, wait a minute. Oh wow, look, I didn't even realize that I had made the a while back. Did I make the prediction on this? But anyway, okay. So, but yeah, so we're still holding. See how the Darvas Box is still going this way? Okay. Stay in it until that thing does one of these. Hold on. Once it goes like, I can use the path thing. Like, they're going to go like this, right? Like, but once that thing just does this, like it come up to like this or, oops, come up like that, like it'll do something like this. It'll stop here. It'll look something like that. Let's see if I can change the color of the bar. It'll look like that. Right. Once it does something like that, get out the trade. Go or take half the profit or something like that. Okay, you gotta move your stop loss up, something like that, because that means it's exhausted. Doesn't mean it's gonna necessarily stop. It depends on how intense this move is. In other words, how close this bar is. If the bar is more like, let's say, kind of like, um, trying to think of how it would do it. If it's kind of like, I can't make it go this way once I've already only three only 3 points of. It's kind of like this, like it's kind of separated a little bit. Um, that means the pullback is not going to be as strong. I mean, anything different than like this, like I was saying before, like really tight, you know. Anything different than that is kind of a weakness. But this right here, close like that, means a really hard pull. Oh, there it is, right here. It's gonna be a yank. See, it's gonna be like get out. It just came up and then boom, get out, right? But you see, eventually it did continue. I would just take a look at the sentiment and see how it's doing, right? See how it's moving. Let's delete, delete, delete. Um, yeah. So, and this is on my Darvas Box setting. My setting is not on the default. So, but but yeah. So, you can get in touch with me. You know how to get in touch with me. Just look at my profile. If you want to learn how to do this stuff, you know, just let me know. Um, yeah, so 157 pips in all, right? Right on there. So it came out. right above this with a buy alert. Right now, 158. Oh, it popped on up to 200. Wow. Wow. So, yeah, congrats to all the traders that saw my video and were able to get in on these alerts. All right. And I'm out. Peace.